Today we are diving into the 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van. The 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van is based on Ford's latest transit platform, now more refined and tech-savvy than ever. Available in multiple lengths and roof heights, this camper version is outfitted by top upfitters, offering solar panels, kitchenettes, foldable beds, and upgraded HVAC systems. Under the hood, you get a 3.5L EcoBoost V6 or the all-new hybrid option, perfect for off-grid adventures with fewer fuel stops. And yes, it supports all-wheel drive. From the outside, the 2026 Transit Camper Van screams modern utility. It's got a bolder grille, updated LED lighting, and aerodynamic body lines that reduce drag. You'll notice the integrated awning on the side, ideal for campsite hangouts, and optional roof racks for kayaks, bikes, or storage boxes. It rides on 16 or 17-inch alloy wheels, with all-terrain tire options for off-road capability. And with a new paint palette including earthy tones like driftwood gray and Sierra green, it's ready to blend in, or stand out, at any national park. Inside is where the magic happens. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile studio apartment. You've got a convertible bed sofa system, a fold-out table, compact kitchen with an induction cooktop, fridge, and even a sink with water tanks. Storage is smart and efficient, overhead bins, drawers under seats, and hidden compartments keep your essentials organized. The front cabin is all digital now. A 12-inch touchscreen with a SWNC 5, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, 5G hotspot capabilities. It's like a rolling command center. And for those long drives, the captain's chairs are plush, power adjustable, and heated. Comfort is key in van life, and Ford nailed it here. Road noise is impressively reduced thanks to new insulation materials. The climate control system, which works on battery or engine power, keeps the interior comfy in any season. Optional upgrades include a composting toilet, mini shower, or pop-up roof for added headroom or an extra bed. It really feels like a home, not just a converted cargo van. Underneath the cozy features is serious Ford engineering. The 3.5L EcoBoost engine offers 310 horsepower and plenty of torque for mountain climbs and towing. The hybrid version gives you electric assist torque and increased fuel efficiency, perfect for long cross-country trips. It handles better than you'd expect, with enhanced suspension, electronic stability control, and even driver assist features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and trailer sway assist. Whether you're cruising highways or navigating a forest trail, it's built to deliver. So, is the 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for a blend of mobility, comfort, and smart tech. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for van lifers who want a reliable, spacious, and well-equipped base camp, it ticks all the boxes. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or living full-time on the road, this camper van makes freedom feel effortless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car and camper reviews. Got questions or want us to test a specific van? Drop it in the comments.